everybody, Rob Bowley here. I wanted to share with you something that happened to me recently when I was working on one of my cars that actually has never happened to me. I've been messing with cars for 30 years, and I wanted to share it with everybody in the event that maybe it could save somebody's eyes and certainly a bad experience. But here's what happened. I was changing charging the battery in one of my old cars, and I hooked up a battery charger to it. And the second I went to start the car, after the charger had been hooked up, the battery exploded. And I wanted to show you what happened here. I pulled the battery out, and you can see here on the right, the side of the battery literally blew out, and acid went everywhere. Fortunately, I was not hovering over the battery. I was actually sitting in the driver's seat, turning the car over, and in the old Stingray Corvette this particular battery was in, it actually has a cover that lays over top of the battery compartment. So all the acid blew up against the cover, did ruin the carpet in the car. I have to replace that. But when I looked at this, I was just thinking, how many people hotshot a car, hook up a battery charger, do whatever, say to the guy inside, hey, just hit it, we're good to go, you know, never expecting a battery could possibly explode. But this is what can happen. And this is a charger that was hooked up to it. There's nothing wrong with this charger. I've since used it, and it works fine. This is one of those chargers that will actually start a car as well as charge. But what I'd like to suggest, everybody who plays with cars, hobbyists, mechanics, whatever, crazy stuff can happen. This is probably, you know, a 1 in 1,000 experience here with a battery. But when you're messing with batteries, my advice would be wear some eye goggles. I've been doing it since, and it'll save your eyes and possibly avoid a tragedy here. Till next time, take care, everybody.